Are you paying for 4K on a drone that doesn't actually deliver real aerial quality? Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 4K drones of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you want cinematic aerial shots, GPS stability, obstacle avoidance, or long-range FPV flying, this video is carefully researched to help you choose the right drone without confusion or false hype. Let's start the countdown. From number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. L600 PRO MAX 8K. The L600 PRO MAX GPS drone is an entry-level option for users who want advanced features at a lower price point. Product overview. This drone features an 8K dual-camera setup, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. It also includes intelligent flight modes and a foldable design. Review highlights. It performs well for casual aerial photography and stable outdoor flying. The GPS system helps with positioning and return to home, making it beginner-friendly. Pros: 8K dual-camera system, GPS positioning with return to home, obstacle avoidance support, good value for beginners. A solid choice for budget-friendly aerial exploration. Number 4. L600 PRO MAX 4K. At number 4 is the L600 PRO MAX Pro GPS drone, offering improved stabilization and flight control. Product overview. This drone features a 4K HD dual camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS navigation, brushless motors, and up to 5 km control range, along with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Review highlights. The 3-axis gimbal provides noticeably smoother footage compared to entry-level drones. It's a good step up for users who want better video stability. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 4K HD camera, long-range GPS control, improved flight stability. Ideal for users upgrading from basic drones. Number 3. V168 PRO MAX GPS. Coming in at number 3 is the V168 PRO MAX, built for advanced features and strong aerial capability. Product overview. This model includes an 8K professional HD camera, GPS navigation, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV for real-time video transmission. Review highlights. The 8K camera delivers stable flight performance and good image clarity. Obstacle avoidance and GPS features make it safer and more reliable for outdoor flying. Pros: 8K camera with wide coverage, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, GPS-assisted stable flight, strong FPV transmission. A great option for feature-rich mid-range drone buyers. Number 2. K19 MAX GPS. At number 2 is the K19 MAX GPS drone, offering powerful specs and advanced control. Product overview. This drone features an 8K camera, obstacle avoidance, GPS navigation, brushless motors, and a large-screen remote controller for real-time FPV viewing. Review highlights. The large-screen controller enhances flight visibility and control. This drone handles aerial photography, long-distance flight, and stable hovering very well. Pros: high-resolution 8K camera, obstacle avoidance system, large-screen remote controller, smooth GPS-assisted flight. An excellent choice for users who want premium features without premium pricing. Number 1. S-X1 MAX GPS. Now let's talk about number 1 on this list. The S-X1 MAX GPS drone stands out as the best 4K drone of 2026. Product overview. This drone features a professional 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, brushless motors, FPV transmission, and a large-screen remote controller. The foldable design makes it portable and travel-friendly. Review highlights. The 3-axis gimbal delivers the smoothest and most cinematic footage on this list. Flight stability, control accuracy, and real-world video quality make it the most balanced and reliable option overall. Pros: professional 3-axis gimbal stabilization, sharp and stable 4K video, large screen remote controller, excellent overall flight performance. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera stability, flight performance, GPS accuracy, obstacle avoidance, and real-world usability, the L600 MAX GPS drone stands out as the best 4K drone you can buy in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.